What's up everybody? After I replaced the screen on this Pixel 2 XL, I noticed that the loudspeaker here at the bottom has no sound and the earpiece speaker at the top starts at full volume and then decreases in volume after a few seconds. I saw this forum online and someone said that the issue is with accidentally knocking off a filter on the motherboard near the bottom of the screen connector. Here are the filters and they are missing on this Pixel 2 XL. I don't even know if it's called a filter, but let's just call it a filter. I opened up my phone and sure enough, I knocked off one of the filters. The filter was loose, so I took it out. This will give you an idea of how small it is. Lesson learned! When you're removing this plastic piece that covers the bottom screen connector, do not use the sharp end of the spudger and only pry up, or you may accidentally stab some of the components and damage them. I also damaged the screen connector on the motherboard, but luckily the screen still works. To fix the speaker issue, you need to bridge the two pads on the motherboard where the filter was located. I added some solder to the pads and used a strand of copper wire taken from a cable to connect the two pads. I used my cheap close-up camera to help do this job. Links in the video description if you're interested in it. Here is the finished product. And now, both speakers on the phone are working like normal again.
But it is not complete.
Oh, one last thing to note when you're working on this phone, replace the thermal paste that goes on the CPU. Make sure the thermal paste makes contact with a copper heat spreader on the mid frame. If you don't do this, the CPU can overheat and it can kill the phone or reduce the life of the phone. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.